Let's talk about how to find and write problem statement. This is also called a gap or research gap. So I explain in many videos that you need to do literature survey, you need to study literature. From there you will find the gap, and that is your problem you are going to solve during your PhD or your master, right? In today's video we will be particularly talking about energy conversion devices, which we call photovoltaics or solar cell. Look, this broader term. We know that most of the power, the world's power, are basically coming from fossil fuels, right? And a very small fraction from renewable energy is contributing in the form of photovoltaics or solar cell. Both are the same name, right? Look, this broader name, broader problem. To provide a significant fraction of the world's power, photovoltaic or solar cell need to be two things. One is more efficient, this is we want this thing, and cheaper. Efficient mean which give us more efficiency. Cheaper mean is compared to the cost. If we compare fuel, the per watt and the energy we produce from fuel and the power we get from solar cell, so we must need cheaper. Otherwise people will not prefer to buy this, right? So we need cheaper and we need efficient, right? So we know that the fossil fuel create a problem for the world, for the globe. So we need renewable energy, but renewable energy have a problem. Mean they are less efficient and they are expensive. So it is a problem. So this, you see, this is a problem. And I will explain now that how to write a problem for this study, right? Before going to that, look, this is a perovskite solar cell. So basically perovskite solar cell is composed of this layer. When we have here the TCO, transparent conducting oxide glass, and then we put the compact titania, semi compact, then we put the mesoporous titania, and this is the perovskite CH3NH3 PbI3, and this is the spiro, and this is the whole transport layer, right? And this is electron transport layer. Basically we generate whole pair here. Yes, it is here, it's clear here. You see, inside the perovskite we generate electron hole pair. Now electron transferring in ETL, electron transport layer, in TI2, while the whole transport in whole transport layer, and this is called electrolyte also. And we have another conducting electrode, that is a gold. Okay, so now let's write a problem statement for this one. Okay, so look at the problem statement. Please do not copy this problem statement, but you need to do your own survey and then you write. At the moment, almost all commercial solar cells are made from silicon. Wow. Which has the advantages of the abundance of availability of raw material. We are talking about silicon, which is in the form of a sand, right? This means that at almost all commercial solar cell or photovoltaics are from silicon. Why? Because we know that silicon are available in abundance in the nature, right? However, there is a problem in silicon. Look, the efficiency of the silicon based solar cell is basically limited to only 27%. This means that we have 100% sunlight, right? 100%. We have 100% power and we are only getting 27%, and the rest 36%, am I right? 36? Yes, 36% we are wasting, right? So limited efficiency owing to silicon band gap. So if you are a science student, so you must know the band gap, right? To overcome this issue, because we know that in most of the rooftop everywhere now the commercial available solar cell are basically from silicon, crystalline silicon or amorphous silicon, single or polycrystal silicon, right? It has advantages. We are not ignoring their advantage. That we will not tell the reader that why people choose silicon. If you say there is a problem, no, there is no problem. They have the advantage. The advantage is they are abundance in nature, mean they are available in tremendous amount. on the earth crust, okay, on the surface of the earth. But there is a problem. The efficiency of this photovoltaic silicon based solar cell is limited to only 27%, as I explained, that when we have sunlight it only convert 27% and the remaining we are wasting, right? Because we know the solar light consists of many light, red, blue, ultraviolet, IR. So it only absorbing the fraction of solar spectrum and the rest is just wasting. Either it's not absorbing or just some other phenomena occurring, right? To circumvent this, mean to overcome this, we need to explore new material. This is a wonderful explanation. You see, we need to explore new material. The exploration of new material are indispensable, mandatory. Why? Because silicon has this problem. What problem? Band gap. The band gap problem. Silicon. It is not tunable. You cannot change this. It is fixed 1.1 electron volt, 1.1 electron volt or something. Okay, this is fixed. So we need to explore new material. Look how we are bringing. We have the problem, and we also give the solution a little bit here. New material such as, for example, perovskite solar cell have emerged is a key player in the photovoltaic domain, in the photovoltaic community. Why this is the game changer, this perovskite solar cell? Because it has a features, it has a characteristics. The first one is tunable band gap. For example, the perovskite band gap is varying from 1.1 electron volt to 2.3 electron volt. Wow! This means that you can absorb large amount of solar spectrum. You can change according to your desire the band gap of perovskite solar cell. So this is the beauty here, right? Ease of fabrications, ease of deposition, because for silicon we need a very expensive equipment to make the slices, the silicon. Here we have used the solution processable methods, and deposition method is very simple, right? And secondly, also it has a high efficiency, because at the current stage it has 25% efficiency, right? So there is a huge potential to change this efficiency beyond the silicon, right? And there is also an opportunity that if we make the tandem solar cell, I have also published my one article on this one, that is a review article which is published in Renewable Energy and Sustainable Energy. So this means that if we combine silicon and perovskite solar cell, so we can boost the efficiency around 50%, 54%. All right. So this is, student, how you find the problem statement and how you then write the problem statement. Thanks for watching.